This video will show how to transfer the calibration factors for the InFocus software from one Windows user to the other. Calibration factor and other settings are specific to each Windows user login, therefore they need to be applied to all users that log in. When applicable, we recommend that you get a generic login so all users have the same consistent settings throughout their workflow. In order to get the files, we need to locate them on our computer. To do so, we go to our C drive. We then scroll down to Users. We find the user that has already been calibrated under. In this case, it's going to be me here, Mike. Then we want to go to App Data. Now, App Data is a hidden folder, so what you'll have to do is go to View, and then check off this box here that says Hidden Items. You'll notice that when I check that off, my App Data appears. We then go to Local, scroll down to iMiller Precision, and InFocus. Now here, infocus.magn, that's the magnification file. So what we want to do here is right-click and copy that file, or probably save that to a USB stick or a thumb drive, or put that into a public shared drive so that other people can access it. Putting into a shared drive is probably the easiest thing. That way each user can simply do that on their own time as they log in. You simply copy this file, then you'll go back to the same file path, just simply under a different user, and paste this file or copy or transfer this file into said folder. Now keep in mind there may already be a folder, a file that has the same name in there. When you copy and paste that, just simply click replace this file. The file gets automatically generated, but if you've never calibrated it, then it will not have any information inside of it. So when you paste it, simply overwrite the existing file if it's there, and then once you load the InFocus software, you should be fully calibrated. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.